Hello, this video is on how to recover mails from NetApp SnapVault using SMBR. SMBR is a lightweight NetApp tool that works in conjunction with SnapCenter to recover single mail or mailbox. With SMBR 8.2 version, SMBR supports installation on separate independent server. Before going into the demo, let's understand a couple of business use cases. There is an Exchange server with a database residing on NetApp storage. Multiple mailboxes are set up in a database. The Exchange resources are protected using SnapCenter. The Exchange database is backed up on a daily basis on a primary controller with retention period. Using SnapCenter, copy of snapshot is also copied on a secondary controller to maintain SnapVault snapshot copies for a longer retention period. So let's say an employee leaves the company, his mailbox is deleted. Now, what if he rejoins the company after a short period like 2 months? The employee may join the same team and the team may want to have the employee's old mailbox recovered to continue the task seamlessly. Second use case is if our CEO has lost an important file from a mail that was needed for an important meeting with a customer. Urgent recovery of a missing mail is requested. Since this is a time sensitive, recovering a large size of Exchange database can take a long time. In both the scenarios, recovering this data from latest snapshot is not possible because it's outside the retention period and the snapshot has also expired. So, mailbox has to be recovered from SnapVault copy. The demo in this video will showcase how easy is it to recover mails from NetApp SMBR using NetApp On-Command System Manager or PowerShell commandlet. One of the mail related to sales data is missing from a mailbox. The user remembered the mail was seen couple of days back. The snapshot copy can be verified from SnapCenter under Database Topology View. So, firstly go to On-Command System Manager and identify the volume that hosts the Exchange database files and click on Create Clone from a volume. For this example, let's provide a clone name as exchange_db1_clone. And then select the snapshot copy based on the snapshot copy that was viewed in the SnapCenter topology view. Perform the same action for the volume that hosts the log folder of Exchange database. Once the LUNs are visible, then map those LUNs for database file and log folder to target initiator group. Now connect to the target server where SMBR is installed. Open Disk Management tool and rescan the disk to discover newly allocated LUN. Bring the disk online and assign drive later to each of the disks. Then open SMBR. Ignore the initial SnapCenter authentication because we are going to restore snapshot from secondary controller. Click on File, Open Source. Provide the source path for Exchange data file and log folder. Once the database is loaded, browse to the user mailbox and find the required mail. Now connect to the target active Exchange server. Provide the username for which the mails needs to be recovered. Compare and copy the missing mail. You can also drag and drop the mail into the user inbox. Go to Microsoft Outlook and confirm the required mail is available in the inbox. Now let's perform the same task using ONTAP PowerShell commandlet. First, import the ONTAP modules using command import-modules data ONTAP. Then connect to the NetApp controller by providing the correct credentials. Create the clone of the volume first. Create the clone for both data volume and log volume that host the Exchange database. Now map the LUN from a clone copy of volume to the target server. Once the LUN is allocated to the target server, perform the same step as shown earlier, like discovering the disk from Disk Management tool, assigning drive later, and then attaching the Exchange database file in the SMBR. We can later remove the LUNs and the volume using the same PowerShell commandlet. Thank you for watching this video. To know more about the SnapCenter and related plugins, check out the SnapCenter playlist on YouTube.